In this video, you'll learn how to track token usage in Paperclip AI. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to monitor your token consumption effectively. Begin by navigating to the Paperclip AI dashboard, open your web browser, and enter the appropriate URL for the Paperclip platform. Once the page loads, you should see a user-friendly interface featuring various options related to your account. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Company within the dashboard. This section will provide you with access to several important features related to your organization's settings and usage. After that, find the cost option and click on it. This section is crucial as it allows you to dive deeper into your financial metrics, including your token usage. Once you are in the cost section, proceed to click on budgets. This will direct you to a page where you can manage and view your financial allocations, which may include token usage budgets. Now, click on the providers option. This will display a list of service providers associated with your account, helping you understand where your tokens are being utilized. Following this, select billers. This option will provide you insights into the billing details related to your token usage, including any costs incurred. Then click on Finance. This section is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your financial data, including expenditure on tokens. Next, you will see an option labeled Month to Date. Clicking on this will allow you to view token usage data for the current month up until today. After that, select Last 7 days. This option will provide a focused view of token usage over the past week, allowing you to analyze recent trends. Then you can click on Last 30 days. This selection will show you the token usage over the previous month, giving you a broader perspective on your consumption patterns. Now, click on Year to Date. This will provide you with an overview of token usage from the beginning of the year to the present, which is essential for long-term analysis. Finally, select All Time. This option will present you with cumulative data regarding your token usage, allowing you to assess your overall consumption across the entire duration of your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.